What's up, dude? Ready to go up north? Take two.
Take two. Yeah, man. This is our whip. Ooh, license plate. Yeah.
It's not going anywhere.
What are we doing? Where are we going?
Pittsburgh.
Yeah.
So we're all hooked up, ready to go to Pittsburgh, New Hampshire. That's all I have to say about that.
That's it.
I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. Sleeping in my bed.
You're not finished yet.
Now, the best way of estimating how many flapjacks per stand you need is to lick your finger in the wind, do a little surf's up sign, and measure that way. It's going to be probably a threefold.
Can you please explain the licking?
Now, wind resistance plays a key role. Now, pop-up camper relies on wind control to keep stabilized. See, we were wrong on the flapjacks. The wind has just been blowing north-southwest. We need a south-southeast.
North, southwest. It's blowing in 3 directions at once.
Now we call that a gale out here. That's not just a nice gale you met one time in high school.
All right, so we're in Pittsburgh. Day 1.
Pittsburgh, I'm gonna drop this down.
Day 101.
What did that do? Oh, 4-wheel drive. What's up, man? Yeah, so we're gonna be fishing the Connecticut River in what's called the Trophy Stretch.
Only thing I like about Connecticut is their rivers.
Should be a good time. We're gonna go Happy Corner Cafe, get some breakfast, and then get out on the water. Gennady.
We're here at the Happy Corner Diner
Cafe.
Excuse me.
This is a latte.
Where? In April 5th, 1907, Whit Terrell sobered up. The following day, Henry Terrell sobered up. Probably two brothers.
Man.
Probably living life for the Lord.
Yeah,
Decided
probably
to quit
found the
drinking,
Lord.
Found the Lord. But you know what? I bet you if you look up Billy Graham came up here, it'd have been April 4th, 1907.
Hold on, just hold on to me. I heard you say with clarity, it's gonna be a wild ride. Read the writing on the wall. I was scared of giving it all away till you broke through it all to say, you're my child, my chosen one, our creation, the result of my love. Let me lead you, gonna have some fun. Kicking off my old shoes, saying goodbye to my old blues, breaking away from the ties, telling all my friends about my new life. Kicking off my old shoes, saying goodbye to my old blues, breaking away from the ties, telling all my friends about my new life. Take heart, as hard as it may be on this step of faith. It's life everlasting, hope and peace and joy.
Gennady just got into his first fish.
Say to me, you're my child, you're my chosen one, my creation, the result of my love. Let me lead you, gonna have some fun. off my old shoes, saying goodbye to my old blues, breaking away from the ties, telling all my friends about my new life. Kicking off my old shoes, saying goodbye to my old blues, breaking away from the ties, telling all my friends about my new life. Ooh, save me from myself. Freedom in your eyes. Kicking off my old shoes, saying goodbye to my old blues, breaking away from the ties, telling all my friends about my new life. Kicking off my old shoes, saying goodbye to my old blues, breaking away from the ties, telling all my friends about my new life. Kicking off my old shoes, saying goodbye to my old blues, breaking away from the ties, telling all my friends about my new life. Quiet my soul, 'cause you're teaching me how to slow down. Surrender it all, let you take control. Slow down. I know you're not far away from me, you're so close now.
That's right. All right.
To hear your voice now, and you tell me quiet. You don't have to be so frightened. Back into my breeze. Just keep taking it slow. I will always be close, and I'm never gonna leave you. Promise I'll never forsake you. So don't even worry now.
Oh, that's not nighttime.
Oh, America. Beyond renewed of that, Frenchies.
Hey, take down the Canadian flag.
What is that?
What is this? Moms.
The gentleman over there want to know if any can't go around and take offense to that statement. No? We have, first of all, we have Kim.
Yeah.
Judy Aldridge right over here. Apparently.
Pleased to
And
meet
she's
you.
like, no. So the answer is no.
They're here, but they're not offended.
Not
They're not
offended.
offended.
It was probably a fair fight. Thank you.
Just to make things resettle.